how to change Instagram notification sound. So we have two options. First one is you can either go to your mobile settings and change from there, and the second option is you can go to your Instagram and you can change your sound settings from there. So for everybody's convenience, I will choose second option. So for that, open up your Instagram, and on the bottom right corner you will have a profile icon. Click on your profile, and after that on the upper right corner you will have three lines. Click on that three lines and go to settings and privacy, and you will have an option which says notifications. Click on notifications and then go to post, stories and comments, and after that scroll all the way down and you will have an option which says additional options in system settings. Click on that and then it will take you to your phone's settings, and you can go on, choose any option that you would like to off or on, and click on Instagram direct. After that you will have an advanced option. Click on advanced and then you will have a sound option, and from here you can change your sound. You can choose any sound you would like and then click on OK, and now your sound has been changed. So that's it guys, that's how you change Instagram notification sound, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thank you.